friends, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Wajid. Today I am going to a badiyarhgarh. Badiyarhgarh is located in the Uttarakhand state. So there is a very cool waterfalls. So I am going today there. I have some friends with me and we are going by bike. Guys, you will see a very beautiful places on this way. Really, this is a very beautiful and cool place. So guys, after we reached in near badiyarhgarh waterfalls, okay, let's go there and I will show you more. Guys, we spent a lot of time there, I mean waterfalls, and we bathed in there. We played more times in waterfalls. After we went back from there in afternoon, on this way we saw a very good viewpoint. We spent more times there. It was a very beautiful viewpoint. We took more photos and beauty videos there. Guys, after we left from there in the evening, it was a very cool trip that I will never forget. I really enjoyed this trip. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you, bye bye.